Today is the day.
Hello people, today we're going to make vegan ketchup.
And why don't you like Mama's ketchup?
I don't know, I just want sweeter.
Yeah, he just wants sweeter. So, today is the big challenge. Alright? Okay, so we did do the sun-dried tomatoes. There is not much left because I picked off it the last few days. But we're going to put in 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. Yeah.
Like you see the ketchup.
And this is about 1 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. So the recipe you can find below attached. And let's put it in here. Now, those have been already marinated with onion and garlic. Therefore, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you wanna do it? Okay. Can you? Are your arms long enough? Okay. Okay. 1. So they're not gonna have all funky faces. And then, to make it more sweet, exactly, organic maple syrup. Okay, let's do it. Ah, still closed. Oh! Ah! There we go. Of course, this is going to be the main ingredient. But also, what do you hate the most? The color, right? So we will throw some color today. Okay, so number 1
Honey.
and number 2. Okay, let's do it.
Like honey.
Let go, let go. No licking spoons here.
Whoa.
Yeah. And then, so this one you can find in any Japanese supermarket.
Super.
It's probably not organic, but it's red color. So obviously kids want to be cheated. Wait, no, I have to do this because this is just a little hint is enough. Okay. Well, let's do it, yeah? You can hit the bottom. If it's locked in. It's not locked in. Rosie. Okay, let's do it.
Wow.
Go.
It looks like watermelon gets squashed. And it looks like watermelon gets squashed and it's turned into red water with
Yeah, just
little
keep it
things.
there. Keep it. Okay, let's go a little bit higher. Okay, do it. Go, 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 go. Come on, girl.
So you're going to taunt
No. So in case you're wondering why we're keeping on holding, it's simply because that thing broke. Our super expensive, you know what, I don't want to call out names, blender broke right 1 year into working. Okay, have a taste. What do you think? Needs more sugar?
To me it's enough. I'll try this.
Okay, chop tomate. Now, we're gonna give it 1 more buzz and then we're gonna strain it through. Hold it. Hold it. Okay, now easy.
To me it's already good.
You hold that, please.
I got me.
If I win this challenge,
Okay. Congratulations.
Oh yeah, congratulations. Okay, so let's strain it through.
Do it.
Maybe don't even need to strain it through.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good like this?
No.
Need to strain it through?
No, I don't think so.
Don't think so.
It looks like the...
Schweinerei.
Oh, Schweinerei.
Making all messy. Okay, never mind.
Schweinerei.
Okay, now close your eyes.
And
Close your eyes, no cheating. Close your eyes. Okay,
smells like tomatoes.
which one is this? Mama's?
No.
No cheating!
It
Which one is this, Ethan?
Mama's. Yeah.
What, yeah? Which one is more tasty?
Then you try one and you go.
Really? You're not just making this because I'm upset? Saying this because I'm upset?
Okay, this one. Look at that, yummy.
Oh, yeah, I know. I guess they like that. It's super sweet.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, I get why they like it. It actually turned out
Okay,
super sweet.
I
with
like
only
this one.
2 tablespoons of maple syrup.
I
You like
both
that one?
of them. Yeah, I like both of them. Yummy.
Oh my god, yeah, it is super sweet.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mama. But
now
you
you
see,
make new ketchup and it's yummy for us now.
now they love it. I can't eat it. It's too sweet for me. And it's actually really, it's only 2 tablespoons of 3 cups of tomatoes.
And 2 of maple syrup.
You love that?
Yep.
Here, you can lick this one.
Yay.
Wow. And it even looks like
It looks
the artificial one.
it looks a little bit. This
Wow,
one
look at
looks,
this.
this one looks more orange. Okay, this one looks orange.
Yeah,
And this one looks dark red.
okay.
See
So,
the difference of this? This one, this.
what do you think? Yummy?
Yeah. Good luck now, both of them.
Okay.
Nanny.
How about we don't buy this anymore?
No. We can mix them. Let's see.
Oh, I give up. Okay. Subscribe to my blog and we will see you very soon. Bye.
Bye bye.